Hao Chosan. My name is Nora Dicalay Mangaya, 41 years old, born November 1, 1983, graduate of Bachelor of Science in Computer Science. My experience here in the Philippines, I work in a publishing house, so I was a proofreader. I also had an experience to tutor kids here in a preschool. I'm not a teacher, but I have the capability to teach kids because I am 4 years graduate. So my first contract is in Hanghao, 2017 to 2019. They were 5 in the family, Silo and Yang. Silo is 7 and Yang is 9 turning 10. So Popo is 65 years old, but still he can still dance. My main duty is to take care Silo, to send to school and pick up to school, to send to his all activities, Monday to Sunday. Sometimes I have different day. I cook Chinese food, simple food. If my Silo asked me to cook for him different Western food, I cook for him. So I clean the house, 550 flats. I have my own room, so 3 rooms, 1 car. It's a sports car, so I car wash, and then I cook Chinese food. I clean the house. I bake. So before they were give me money to buy my food, but since I learn here, I study here to bake, I didn't need to buy bread for me. So take care of you, take care of me, and I will take care to you, your family. So I also like pets. I have 4 dogs here. I also do gardening, but I prefer to take care babies because babies are very soft and very nice. So it's okay for me. I'm very hands-on with my children. So I'm the one who took care of them. That's why I can assure you that I can take care newborn baby. Thank you so much and see you in Hong Kong. Bye-bye.